Hello everyone, in today's video I'm doing some butterfly inspired French tips. This video is actually in collaboration with Gigi from MVP Nail Designs. So once you've watched this video, go over and check out her video. She's doing a design with acrylic and I'm doing a design with gel polish, but we are both inspired by butterflies. I'm starting out by doing 2 coats of a nude gel polish. I'm curing between each layer. Then I'm taking some isopropyl alcohol and I am removing the tacky layer from the nude polish. You'll see why this is very important in a minute. And I'm taking a blue gel polish and I'm drawing on the butterfly design. So this is inspired by butterfly wings. This is 2 wings just buttered right up next to each other. You could put the body and head and antenna and everything in the middle, but I chose to leave it more inspired by than just a direct copy of a butterfly. So I use the polish bottle brush to fill in the larger areas, and I'm using my detail brush to fill in the detailed areas, and then I'm using a gel cleanup brush to clean up the edges. After curing that for 20 seconds or so, I am taking my transfer foil and I'm using the middle section, which is a light blue to dark blue gradient, and I'm pressing that onto the nail. You can see in the little picture in the corner that if you don't remove the tacky layer from the nude polish, you'll see that the transfer foil will attach to the nude polish as well. You can still clean it up just like this with a gel brush, but it is a little bit more work, and who wants more work when you can just wipe off the tacky layer and have less work? So after I'm happy with my transfer foil, I apply a layer of just a normal top coat. Make sure that there is no transfer foil on the nude section of the nail. After I cure that top coat, I'm going in with this black gel paint and I am making the outlines on the nail. So I'm just going across where the French smile line is, and then down the center of the tip, and the center I'm just making that a little bit thicker so it symbolizes the body of the butterfly. I am also outlining the tip of the nail and I'm using a gel brush dampened with isopropyl alcohol to clean up any edges. Then I'm coming down, so I'm going in between the center and the side, so just in the middle of that I'm starting my line and then pulling it down to the tip of my nail. I'm then going in and rounding out the top sections of those segments, so instead of being just corners, it's a rounded top. I hope you can see what I'm doing better than what I'm explaining. I think this is what makes it look more butterfly inspired. These nails could easily be adapted to a mermaid design, but I'm doing butterfly because that's the theme of our collaboration this time. After I'm happy with my black lines, I just go ahead and cure that in my light, and then I'm going in with a no wipe top coat. I'm just putting that over the whole nail, and then those are the finished nails. I've turned off my table light so that you can see the nails better. The transfer foil is so reflective that it's kind of hard to see when I've got my bright lights on. But you could go ahead and put a little body and some antenna down the center of the design, but I just decided to leave it more abstract like this. I think they're really cool looking and they really do catch the light. I think they look better in low light because you can actually see the black details, but also in bright light they're super reflective. You could do this in any color transfer foil that you have. Anyway, that is my finished design. Make sure you go over and check out MVP Nail Design. If you've come over here from MVP Nail Designs, welcome. Thank you for coming over. I really enjoyed doing this collab. I hope we get to do another one in the future. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.